打到一个双蛋黄，代表今天是幸运的一天吗？And this gonna be like your last school day. Hey girl, can I get your number?
Yes, you can. Here you go. Give me your phone. So Northwood didn't have like this.
Can't walk around while you're eating
Are you scared?
She just got here this morning, so she's an adult. She's a little overwhelmed by all these kittens sometimes. So,
do you know how old she is? Good timing.
Turn around. Oh. Is it comfortable?
Apparently so. I'm so happy right now.
Chill guy. Like, look at this. Ah, the little paws, the little beats. Oh, he's so relaxed. Like this?
His name is Chill Guy.
Yeah, your name is Chill Guy. This is my first time petting an orange cat.
Oh, really?
Do you know Garfield?
Yeah.
High five. Oh.
It's so cute. Wait, does he have like eyebrows? Wait, can you lift up the camera? Does he have eyebrows?
Where?
Look.
This one?
Yeah, like he has like two over here. They look like eyebrows. He's just sleeping. He's like, oh, we can't. I'm gonna stop. Okay, let's see when I stop. He just looks back. He's like, why did you stop?
One more time, one more time. looks so pretty. Cold actually.
Yeah, it's not.
Dog. Snowflake. 我们刚去跟猫玩，超级可爱。我觉得我还会再去一次。现在我来打 pickleball， 教练他们家有一个 Christmas Party。
Christmas bells cast a spell on the world, bringing you home to me. From across the sea.
What is that?
大红袍
And it seems like
A kind of tea.
Whenever I
Say hi to my new iPhone.
New iPhone.
Yeah, iPhone 16.
in my ear.
Because
我等下吃，
我觉得这是最好吃的版本。
真的哦。你要不要介绍一下？
When a
绕
snowflake
着绕着
筷子这样
falls,
天才，
when a
天才，天
bluebird
才。
还是甜菜。
你有吃吗？好吃吗？
那个蓝那个什么葡萄干的，
排名
love
的
songs that we heard all just seem absurd on Christmas.
沙眼，你看我画
You
的突然
hold
变
me
好，
tight
对不对？
in the shimmering lights of Christmas.
Guys, choose one.
Wait, are we dog?
Wait. It's their team to
Gingerbread house.
Oh yeah.
Is that
Yeah.
right?
Oh,
Okay, I can do that.
Oh, that's pretty good.
When
It's already.
the lights up a starry night Christmas promises we made all just seems to fade on Christmas.
这在干嘛？这在干嘛？
When you kiss me
哎，不要参加跳舞了。
under the mistletoe on Christmas.
往这里，这里啊。
On Christmas.